We're back at Alfreton. Welcome aboard, passengers. Mega Sim here. We're at Alfreton station today for our train real world trip to Manchester Piccadilly. So we're just waiting for our 1508 train, East Midlands Railway, that will take us direct to Manchester Piccadilly. So what we'll be doing, we'll be stopping at Chesterfield, Sheffield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. I don't think there are any other stations. So yeah, when we get to Sheffield, we'll be going in reverse, so we'll be turning around. Well, the driver will go to the opposite end of the train and start travelling the other way. So I just need to ensure that I sit not on this side of the train, but I need to sit on that side, because the last time we went on this trip we sat on this side. So what we do is we come in and then we go that way round to the peaks, so we're on the right hand side. So this time we want to be on the left through the peaks. Anyway, what we need to do is just wait for this train to arrive, get on board. This is Alfreton. So yeah, just funny, I just want to mention it. There's a delayed service that's going to Nottingham on platform 2. And it says that it's stopping at Iln and Nottingham. Well, Iln is the shortened abbreviation on Network Rail, on the railways, for Ilkeston. So if you want to find Ilkeston when you buy tickets or something like that, you put in ILN, Iln. And yes, the announcement was calling out Iln and Nottingham. Anyway, just like to give a shout out to Jack and Jamie. They have revealed themselves. So, remember last week we went on the 465 and 466 to Gillingham and then went to the level crossing? Well, the two guys that were on that bridge was Jamie and Jack. So they were the ones that were on that bridge. Rails of Kent, I think his Instagram and YouTube are called there. But yeah, funnily enough, he said he thought I was just a train spotter on holiday with my big case. Didn't think anything of it. Well, it was me, mate. But I didn't say anything, did I? But yeah, I haven't got my big case today. I've got my smaller case today because I'm only going to Manchester for a couple of days, not a whole week down in London. But yeah, thought I'd shout you guys out. Maybe next time we'll meet up. But yeah, I've seen a few people saying, oh yeah, we should do a meetup. Well, yeah, possibly we can do some soon. Not at the moment, as you know. You know, at this point in time, it is still before the 19th of July. So I am wearing my mask. I have no idea if it actually showed. Let's have a look. Wearing my mask. But yeah, not sure where this train is, because real-time trains, I can't remember what it is now. I just put in real and then it goes, oh, you mean this side? Yes. It says it's still at Nottingham, but there's no announcement yet to say that it's delayed. All the announcements that we've had is just that the 1507 to Nottingham is delayed, but not the 1507, which is my train, to Liverpool Lime Street. There's no details on it being cancelled or anything like that. What I should do is I should actually go and have a look at the times, because they've probably already announced it and said, no, it's been cancelled. Anyway, right, let's have a look. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to wait to the next one. Interesting. Well, let's see what happens. Right. Yep, they've not announced it, but yeah, my 1508 train is delayed to 1527. Oh, that's my case. Let's pick it up. It's too loud. Yeah, it's been delayed to 1527 due to a slower train in front of that one. So yeah, bit of a delay, but here we go.
Delayed 1508, end service to Liverpool Line Street. This service is delayed and now expected to depart at 1527. Calling at Chesterfield, Sheffield, Stockport, Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Oxford Road, Warrington Central, Whitbus, Liverpool South Parkway, and Liverpool Line Street.
So yeah, 1527 it's been delayed too, so that kind of mucks up my timings, but anyway, yeah, we'll see what happens when we get there. But yeah, there's the delayed 1507, which is here at 1508. Yeah. So that one's going to Nottingham. Well, it's going to Norwich eventually, and it's stopping at Iln and Nottingham, and then onwards from that. Yeah, 158. Still got the old colours, the old EMR colours, or East Midlands Trains colours. I think a few of you said that these trains will eventually go. They did put some livery, you know, the new purple livery on them, but for these ones they're not the latest. Not sure what that guy's doing. Was he waiting for that train? Nah, he's probably having a relax. But then the thing is that this East Midlands Railway route, the Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street, when they took on the franchise, they knew they weren't going to have it for long. Well, there's no date in which it's going to be swapping, but that was kind of the intention, that this route was not going to stay for East Midlands Trains and East Midlands Railway. Anyway, right, still got about 20 minutes now, under 20 minutes to go till our train arrives. And that speaker's annoying, wasn't it? Anyway. Right, let's sit back and, well, I say sit back, I'm standing. I don't want to sit down because I'm going to be sitting down for an hour and a half, so yeah. Let's wait for the train. This isn't my train. I heard it coming with a horn. This one, I believe, is another freight train. So tooted its horn a couple of times, knowing that it's coming into the station. How long is it going to take? Is it another 66? Here it comes. Nice one. Well, we got to see a couple of freight trains today. I'm happy with that. Yeah, my train is still delayed, but that was fun. Doing a bit of train spotting as well as going on the train. What more could you want? Here she comes. There, because look, it's a bit greasy there. Sorry, that was me pushing that back. So yeah, slightly delayed. Chesterfield, Sheffield, where we'll then go in the opposite direction through the Beak to Stockport. And then Manchester Piccadilly, and then it goes onwards to Liverpool Lime Street. scenic shots from here. It's very warm on this train today. There's no aircon. There are windows, and they're all, well, the ones that are here, look, we haven't got a window here, but the ones that are open are open. Not managed to get a table seat, so this is what we're dealing with. It's not too bad. A bit grubby down there, isn't it? Yeah, leg room's fine. Got my case, my bag. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm sitting in. Wasn't able to get a table seat, annoyingly, but yeah, never mind. Yeah, this does come down, but it's very loud, so I don't want to do it because it will then move the seat, you know, opposite in front of me. Approaching Chesterfield now. Maybe I came on too early, but never mind. Too early. Now I should have just looked that way and seen all the industrial estate stuff, but no. We are now arriving at those tankers. We are now arriving at Chesterfield. Hot, which means my phone's warming up now as well, so hopefully it'll be cool enough soon, because my phone, I don't want it overheating. Ah, there's that freight liner we saw earlier. It's probably waiting for us. Interesting news, breaking news on this train. They've just announced, you know how bad these flipping speakers are on the 158. News is that we are not stopping at Sheffield. We are going straight on to Stockport. So how are they going to do that? Does that mean that I'm on the wrong side? Should I be pointing the other way? Well, let's find out. But yeah, Chesterfield is this stop, next Stockport. Interesting. Oh, there's that 66. I thought Sheffield would be a major station. I'm surprised that they're not stopping there. So yeah, let's find out and see what we do. Is there like a bit where we can turn off here and we don't have to turn around? Possibly. Well, as soon as we start getting to that, I will definitely let you know. So we are now slowing down. As I mentioned, we are not stopping at Sheffield. Funnily enough, when we left Chesterfield, he then went back through the garage and went, "Is anyone stopping at Sheffield?" No, it's a bit too late now. Too late. So, what's going to happen? Because I've not done this before. I've not gone from this direction. I've had a look on real-time trains. Train times. I can never remember what it is. And it says that we go to Dodness or something. Just looked at it and I've already forgotten about it. So yeah, let's see what we do. This is quite a long tunnel. Well, it's not long, but you know what I mean. We are slowing down now. Do we go this route? Do we get to turn around? I don't know. Or do we have to go into a station and swap ends? No idea. No idea indeed. Oh. Try not to show that. But I don't want to, yeah. Just got to be careful. This tunnel does take us round. No idea. Maybe this is where the freight trains go. It's kind of go to the Peak District. Could be. It's taking a lot longer than I thought. Ah, we're out the tunnel. No! How did it stop? Just noticed that it stopped. It stopped about a minute ago. I don't think you saw it, but we saw the track that we need to go to from where we came from for Sheffield. How did that stop? That's annoying. It didn't come up with a warning. It didn't say I'd run out of memory or, you know, storage or anything like that. It just stopped working. Maybe because it's just getting too hot, because yeah, my phone is red hot. I'm going to stop that now. I'm going to take the charger out. Oh, that's annoying. Anyway, so yeah, we went to a little bypass bit, and that's what we went to. Maybe I can't have accidentally pressed stop. Anyway, so now we are on our way to the Peak District. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here and see if I can hold this phone down again. But yeah, that's annoying, because yeah, that took a while, that did, and I think we just got the bit where you came out of the tunnel with the HST speed. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Stockport, the next stop. Anyway, it's lovely going through the Peak District by train. It's great. Have you done it yourself? Leave a comment down below. Have you made this trip before in the Peaks? It's quite cool. So many people just look at their phones and they're not looking out the window, but well, you can't see much on there, can you? But look, how amazing is that? It's gorgeous. Oh, holiday. People in their caravans for their holiday. Lovely. The weather's not too bad today. Yeah, weather's not too bad, but it's nice to be able to see the scenery on this train journey. It's not a boring trip, is it? Got lots to see. So it looks like instead of being 20 minutes behind schedule, we're now only 2 minutes because we bypassed Sheffield. Great idea, well, except people that had to have gone to Sheffield, but you know, when you're on this train you don't go to Sheffield, do you? You go to Manchester and Liverpool, so I think we're alright. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that. Can't see anything. We can see lots out here. Stick with this one. Junction, and yeah, instead of going up to Sheffield we turned left, headed west. Really annoyed that the video didn't come out for that. We're coming up to Hazelgrove now, that's why we're on the one track, and then we get to go on the main line. Some allotments. It reminds me of the car park. Trying to remember where it is now. Oh, back to two lines, but yeah, there's Hazelgrove. So yeah, because of the bypass to Sheffield, we're only a couple of minutes late now instead of 20 minutes. Also where we get our overhead. It's the 331 in the siding there. View they get. Well, say that there won't be many trains coming past here, but look at that. Woodsmore. Yeah, as we start approaching Stockport, I'll start recording again. Well, which is any second now anyway. Here we go, onto the main line, coming off there. Edgeley Junction. So yeah, shortly arrive again with Stockport. Transpennon Express. Need to go on the Transpennon Express soon. To have seen Pendolino 390. Maybe we will along the way. Ooh. Nice to go to that hat museum as well. One stop board. The cross-country voyages. I just clicked it, I had it on ready and I was like, oh, I'm not going to record, but I saw it and went done. So yeah, next station Manchester Piccadilly, where this train doesn't terminate but I terminate. So yeah, in Manchester for a couple of days and then get the train back. We're holding up the Pendolinos behind us. We're on the fast track. Oh, McVitie's. Get some bickies. Wonder what biscuits they make of that one. If it is biscuits, could be Jaffa cakes. Could be anything really. Forgot to mention this table. It extends out right to my belly, of course, but it does extend out, so you get that extra bit, so you can put your laptop on there. Not that you have that much room to actually start typing, but yeah. Slowly coming to Manchester anyway. Oh, and here's a freight train, but at the same time here's a 390 there, look at that, with Alstom depot. Well, there was the depot down there. Oh well. Right, coming into Manchester Piccadilly now. There's Man City Stadium. I really can't hear the speaker. Oh, it's awful on these 158s. So yeah, we'll get off and then we will watch the train depart. Here's another depot. I think this is the Transpennon Express depot. I think that's down there. Right, let's get off. coming into Manchester Piccadilly. Pendolino 390. Oh, look at that Northern. Nice. Alright. Right, he's shutting his doors. He's got a green light. Oh look, that one has got the livery on. And there it goes. So we are at Manchester. Let's walk down the ramp. And there we have it. Manchester Piccadilly. We've arrived. Yeah, we have to go on that one. 13 and 14 over there. Not these platforms here. Would have been nice, but no, we go through the station, not terminate at the station. But yeah, that's been fun. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed it. It's been a good journey. Yeah, we were delayed at first. We actually got in about 2 minutes late. Interesting stuff. Anyway, right, let's get off this ramp. And here we exit. No, wait. We're not done. Let's go back. Unfortunately, no, we're not going on those runs. We continue on our journey up to platform 14. We're going back up to platform 14. Needed my beverage. I say hot beverage. They don't do cold at this one. So yeah, I got my hot beverage. Not going to burn myself with it, but yeah, we are heading back up to platform 14 because we are not finished with our journey. Not that much longer, but there is a little bit further. Do I admit it now? Do I reveal it now? Yeah, go on then. We're going to Salford Central. Salford Central means that we have to get on here at Manchester Piccadilly to Salford Crescent, get off, then wait for a train to then go from Salford Crescent to Salford Central. Because our hotel is about 2-minute walk from Salford Central. And I just thought, £2.80, go for it. Instead of walking, train's going there anyway, let's do it. So, heading to Salford Central, the other side of Manchester. Going back to platform 14. Look at those Pendolinos. We'll go on one of them again someday. What do we go on? I don't know. I think this train goes to Blackpool North. So, not sure what train we're going to get. Let's find out. Join me. Yeah, shall you? Well, yeah, you're going to join me. Anyway, right, let's continue this journey. So even though you can't see it on that screen, Middlesbrough, Leeds, red car. This train's going to Redcar Central, not this one. I'm not going on this one. This literally does Manchester Victoria to Leeds. I'll read out the names if it comes up with it again. Manchester Oxford Road, Victoria, Huddersfield. So straight from Victoria to Huddersfield. And then it goes on to Dewsbury, Leeds, York, Thirsk, Northallerton, Yarm. And yeah, that's all it's telling me. And then onward to Redcar Central. Eventually. I've got page 2 of 3. I'm waiting for page 3. It keeps flicking back to page 1. So from Yarm, it then heads to Thornaby, Middlesbrough and Redcar Central. So yeah, that's Northern Transpennine. Northern Transpennine. I'm calling it by the Trains of the World name. Transpennine Express. There we go, lights are flashing now, which means that they are shutting the doors. And that train will be leaving, and then our train will be next. We're on a northern service to Blackpool North. Northern to north. Well, let's see what comes. I thought this would have gone by now. I see it's flashing, but she ain't leaving. I say she. The train manager down there, she's not letting the train go yet. Yeah, lights are still on. They should have left by now. They're running slightly late. Yeah, expected 1700, 16:57, so 3 minutes to 5 it should have left, and it's leaving at 5. I'd love to go on one of these runs. That would be quite cool. Still not in the train. We'll see by the light up there. As that goes off, we know it's time. See, my videos stopped again. Don't know why that did that. I didn't press anything. Maybe because we're running out of space. I have got tons of 4K on there and I haven't taken it off yet. 17:01 now. Oh, it's in trouble. Oh, lights have gone off now. So it should be going. We'll let it go and then we'll have our train. Here it goes. There it goes. Thank you, man. Thank you for moving out of the way. All right, let's wait for us. Oh, I was wanting to go on one of these. Yes, we finally get to go on this. Yeah. Excellent. Look at that. We get to go on one of these. Amazing. Right, let's get on board. Well, that's quick. Anyway, right, there's the other train coming in. It's actually quite nice in here. How new are these trains? Let me know in the comments. This is the first time I've been on one of these trains. Look at that. It's quite empty, which is good. It's good for me. Yeah, that one's going to Hazel Grove. Let me just switch the camera. That's better. I wanted it the other side, so it's easier for filming. I didn't want it to kind of do it like that, so we get to see it here. Can't hear the buzzer, the signal yet. To the guard train manager. Oh, I think that might have been it. So yeah, onward to Salford Crescent. Look at that. It's Manchester Piccadilly. I don't think I've ever been this far. Well, I went to Liverpool. No, that wasn't through here. That was where was that? Crewe, and then went up that way. I can't remember now. But yeah, I didn't go on the East Midlands Railway to there. I went to Stoke-on-Trent, didn't I? Yeah, that was it. And Crewe and all of that. Went on London Midland. That's not what we call it anymore, is it? London Northwest. My brain is mush at the moment. I can't remember anything.
Next station stop will be Manchester Oxford Road.
Oh, Oxford Road. Yeah, we get to see. Oh, there's Phantom of the Opera. Ah, and it's Oxford Road. Well, there's that that hotel up there. Looks nice. But yeah, this is Oxford Road. There's quite a few people getting on board. Look at that little retail bit, Northern. So yeah, leaving Oxford Road. It's another one of our trains. Deansgate. It's one of the old Manchester stations that's now
Station stop.
an events, you know, place. I think they did all the. That's where the Nightingale Hospital was for Manchester in there, if it's still there. Yeah, this is Manchester Deansgate. And look, there's the bridge. Well, you can't see because of that information screen, but there's the bridge over to the metro. Metro on there. The Manchester trams. That's it, Manchester Central. That's what they call it. Man, this train takes ages to open its doors and leave. It tries to close its doors as quick as possible, but look, we're taking ages. Still not left. There we go. We're now moving. Ooh. We're having a race with the tram now. Yeah, so this is where we get off, and then we're going to swap onto another train to go to Salford Central. There it goes, over the top. Well, that's a nice mural there. Yeah, so I think we need to go down there. So we need to end up. So we need to get off at Salford and then venture over there. Oh, I see my hotel just then. I think it was mine. If not, it was another one.
Next station stop will be Salford Crescent.
Here you go, Salford Crescent. This is it. And yeah, we'll swap and get on the next train, which is slightly delayed, so it's about 26 minutes past 5 to Salford Central. Hey, we're a little detour, but hey, it's much more fun than an Uber, isn't it? Or walking or taking the free bus. So hopefully you're enjoying this. All right. It's taken a while. She announced that early. Cement up there. Huh. Well, it looks like we've got the trams there as well. There's a lot of banging going on. Right, Windsor Bridge, South Junction. Here we go. Salford Crescent. Right, let's watch it leave again. Oh, look, there's the windscreen washer fluids bit in there. Oh, that's why. Look, there we go. I was going to say that's why. It's because the train manager takes ages to get in after they've shut all the doors. Off to Blackpool North. Have fun. Right, let's wait for the next train. Just caught it. Oh, nice. Just caught that in the corner of my eye. I saw it. It's been a while since I've seen one of these. Was these they were on Thameslink, weren't they, at one point? Thameslink. Can't remember. My brain is really bad. Leave a comment. I think it was called Thameslink. What was it called? And they had these trains. And they had the third rail and the overhead. Could be the same ones. There it goes. Gonna have to Google it now. Alright, our train's on time. Here in 4 minutes. Going to Leeds. But I'm not going, I'm just going to the next stop. Okay, so the 769 I've just looked is a conversion. So the 319 was the original one that we know of for Thameslink. But the 769 is a bi and tri mode, so it actually has diesel and overhead and potentially third rail as well. Yeah, this is my train coming along. But yeah, that's why. So it's a converted 319 that was on Thameslink. Yeah, they use them here for the diesel and overhead. We're not going to Southport, we're going to Leeds. Anyway, let's wait for this train to come in. Right, let's see what we got. What have we got for our one stop? Just the 158. Oh well, it's better than nothing. It's better than walking, isn't it? Nice. Very fancy. These have been upgraded, look. You've even got USB ports here. Now I couldn't see the diesel on that 769, another one that came in. So am I right or wrong? Let me know.
For the protection of everyone, you must wear a face covering.
So yeah, Salford Central. I couldn't stay near the door, I would like to have done, but that's where the conductor stands. The train manager, so couldn't do it. Oh, you can see me. Hello. Got my beverage.
We will shortly be arriving at Salford Central.
If you are leaving the train here, find the gap between the train and platform edge.
How's that?
And please keep hold of your ticket until you have left the station, as barriers may be in use.
Oh, okay, so we're up here. Oh, so this isn't the tram, it was us coming up here. Hey, this is actually quite a nice shot here. Instead of looking out the window, we're looking in the train. But it is cool to see the cement there. Some X stuff going on. daughter calls it the Moon Hotel. So yeah, only a couple of minutes walk, but that's worth it, isn't it? It's worth it to be able to go in. Right, stopping recording. He's leaving on a double yellow, but that's fine. Off he goes. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed it. Another train real world. RTX 3080 4K Mega Sim edition, of course. It's almost like real life, isn't it? Train real world. Hopefully we'll get that return journey back in a couple of days. And yeah, we'll go from there. But I'm not going to say my goodbyes yet, because I want to go and have a look at this mural over here. Let's go. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this. Look at that, Salford Central. Oh, the old Pacers. Kelso.com. Look at that. That is nice. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Having that mural in your station. That's amazing. At Belper we've got some mosaic. No, it's good. It's good to have something different. But yeah, somebody local. I'm guessing Kelso's local. And let's watch this train coming in. There you go. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from Le Mega Sim. Social media links are in the description below. There's another northern train coming in. I need to make my way over to my hotel. No idea where my room is going to be, so I'm going to end it here. But if I get a good view of the trains, there will be a bonus part to this video, as you know, because we always do that. We always do this bonus of the bonus of the bonus. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. We will see you on the next video. Oh, look, the Nova's there. Ah, it's in the way. There he is. See him in the distance. Yeah, let's watch this train go. And then we'll end the video here. Unless we have, you know, a nice view. Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bye. That was weird. The front two coaches, yeah, it's a different train, but the front two coaches, the revs went up and it went. And it was only until the back two went to my ear, they then revved up. So that was weird. Bit of a delay. Sounds like me on Cane Creek, not bothering to set the rear train to be linked. Anyway, see you soon, guys. Bye. Oh, just as I press stop, this train comes in. I gotta show it. Anyway, there it is. Going to Rochdale. These trains are a bit... but it's cool to see a train, isn't it? Oh, don't you remember the trains? The slam doors had those brakes like that. How cool is that? Anyway, see you soon, guys. Bye.